jet black. All right. Let's see how it's gonna show on this colors. It's gonna be like we seeing the clear yesterday, and I am so obsessed with that. How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. Hope you all have a fabulous day. That is our jet blacks. One coat on the clear swatch. Ta-da! Clear for 60 seconds. And then we are going to, in the meantime, we're waiting. We are going to do is do you want a gray colors?
No.
This is like a milky white. A milky white, like really sheer white.
Yep.
Okay. Hey M Hing 092. Hello, how are you? Yes, Crazy Claus. Absolutely, babe. I will save the videos for us. So number 27 is milky white.
Yes. So on that note, we save all our live. So if you guys go to our IGTV, Facebook video, and all that, and even on YouTube, we have everything saved and upload. So any particular product you're interested in, seeing for tutorial for, do a quick search and you will see a lot of them.
Yes, we'll save all of them for you. Why we're doing that? Because we would love all of you to be successful. It's not only just the products. We want you to be able to utilize of what you get from Glitz and make the best out of it. We want you to be successful because your successful is our passions, and is great to see everyone doing great. Successful either way. Like if you are doing is beautiful nails for your beautiful clients, you are gonna not only fulfill their wish, make them happy, they're coming back to see you. Also is, great to see you will be, is upsell for your services, increase your income. What you get for increase your income, coming in with so many different new techniques, so then therefore you can able to afford it to stay on the business for longer, and then you able to get continued educations and put it back into the business. So then guess what, you are going to love what you're doing, so it's not going to be considered as a job. And then also for all of you who doing your nails, we want you to able to have fun with this and enjoying as much as you can, and we want you to have a great techniques. And we want you to have a products on hand. You know what you're doing. You are not by yourself. We are here and with all the different cool tutorials for you. So I'm doing second coat of really super gorgeous milky white. So pigmented, and I am doing on the clear swatch. Hello Danny, how are you and a baby? Happy Friday. Hello April. Hi Nick, how are you? Thank you so much for tuning in. And I have two more nails I'm gonna do is orange, a neon orange, and then number 12 is deep blue. Hope everyone have a fabulous day. Swatching this one, and then we're gonna put fine eye sheets on this. I'm so excited, I can't wait. I'm like, wait. Can't wait to put it on. We're going to put this one on a gel polish. You can do this with liquid and powders. You can do with dipping. I remember this when I was trainings for dipping with so many students in classes or all different trade show. We always show you how to create it with a fine eye sheet, and I'm so excited to share it again. Is back with more colors. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. And do a number 12 is deep blue. So I cut few of the colors, 5, the fire and eye sheet.
Crazy Claus, actually, do you have a base coat on?
Yes, I do have. Well, you don't have it to do on a swatch, but if you do on the real nails, yes. But I didn't have it, yes, underneath. So when you're doing it for the clients, I know why this one is just really weird because I think it's just a swatch. All right, so we are going to clear this one. Okay, so this is number 24, jet black. Number 27 is milky white. All right. And then we are waiting for number 12, number 7, which is orange. One more coat. Hey Dom, how are you? Happy Friday, Dom. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm just gonna hop in and share really quick. We have a lot of questions for this fire night sheet. When it's available, it is right now. Grab yours today. Is this gonna be is really cool? You can do with also nail art, encapsulate with velvety gel, and also encapsulate with liquid and powders, or do it encapsulate with your gel polish. Whatever, however you would like. All right, here for 60 seconds on this one. So we did just finish with number 7 is neon orange, and I'm gonna do is number 12, one more coat, which is deep blue. And then cure this for 60 seconds, and next layer you are going to cure for 60 seconds. And I swatch it under on the top of the clear nails. It looks like an orange, like a Halloween.
Closer to it.
But I just want to show you on the top of really is cool, like a dark pigment backgrounds. But you can do any colors. You can do with